video day, guys. So for today's video is going to be my series Makeup on the Red Carpet. If you guys are new to my channel and you've never seen this video before, in these videos I find out exact makeup products that the celebrities are wearing on their face at the biggest red carpets that are happening right now. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the EMMYS, which just finished airing just recently. Before the EMMYS 2019, I am going to be showing you guys the 6 top celebrities of the night that I think that they did their makeup so amazing, and I love what the makeup artist did for them. I'm going to be telling you guys exact makeup products that they used. Then at the end of the video, I will be telling you guys who I think had the best makeup of the night, as well as who I think had the best dress of the night. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are new to my channel, just a quick introduction. I'm Christina Brooke, and this is my Glam Ranch. I would love it if you would just take a second, hit the subscribe button so that you can find my channel again. So let's go ahead and let's get right into the EMMYS. Alright, so I don't know if you guys saw the EMMYS or if you're like me and you just watch the red carpets of the EMMYS, but I tend to just watch the red carpets because what I'm interested in is the makeup and the fashion. And if you guys think my look looks familiar, it's supposed to. I did recreate one of the celebrities' looks that I'm going to be talking about in this red carpet. So once we get to that celebrity, I will let you guys know who it is, and I will be putting up a tutorial up on Instagram on how I came up with this look. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at the Glam Ranch. I would love it if you would follow me over there so you guys can see this look. And yeah, okay, let's get into this. There is some really pretty looks. I have to say the EMMYS was pretty impressive. I think that there was some beautiful looks and there was some surprises. There was some surprises because color was not everywhere, and I honestly thought that we might see color one last time. But no, I feel like the looks were not very, very colorful, especially in the makeup. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So the first celebrity we're going to be talking about is Zendaya, and she is wearing Vera Wang. I think that she literally knocked it out of the park with this outfit. This was one of the outfits that was talked about so much because it was very unexpected. It was sexy. I think the designer of the dress said that they were inspired by Poison Ivy, or the stylist. Somebody was like, oh, this is like Poison Ivy, and she does. She looks like Poison Ivy. She has this beautiful green dress, the slit for days, and the hair, the makeup, everything just looks so cool. I honestly love this look. I think it was beautiful. Her makeup artist was SHEIKA DALEY. Don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to check out her Instagram. So when we talk about Zendaya, she was wearing a few staple items on her face. So she was wearing all LANCôME. So LANCôME is the brand that they used for her face. Let's get into the exact items that she had on. She had the Flawless Tint Ultra Longwear Foundation, as well as a very known and very popular mascara, which is the Monsieur Big Mascara. For her lips, she was wearing a really beautiful soft lip gloss. It was called the Sweet Gloss from LANCôME. And finally, for her eyes, because they just look so beautiful and natural and gorgeous, she is wearing the eyeshadow color Amber Velour, Scorching, Opulent Onyx, and Galactic Sapphire. So those are all of the eyeshadows that she has on her eyes. I think that this look was phenomenal. Her makeup was very understated, but at the same time super sexy. I love that they put a nice emphasis on the eyes. I love that she has a liner on the waterline, but you don't really see a liner on the top. I feel like that adds to that sexy look to the eyes. I love that she has a somewhat smoky eye, but nothing super exaggerated. That really soft, glossy lip. Everything about this look, even the way that she flipped her hair to one side, I think it was a beautiful look. She looked like somebody was saying, hey guys, check me out. I'm here to stay. Look at me. I think that she looked phenomenal. I love this look. I love the makeup. I think she did an amazing job. Okay, so let's talk about the celebrity that I recreated her look today. So that is Mandy Moore. Now, I thought Mandy Moore's outfit and makeup was really cool. So if we talk about her outfit, she's wearing Brandon Maxwell, and I know a lot of people were really shocked with this color combination, but this color combination came up around 3 times on the red carpet of different celebrities wearing different dresses with this same color combination. Now, I've been seeing this color combination for a long time. This is not something super new to me, but it's actually beautiful, and I love the way these two colors look together. So I think that she looked phenomenal. This dress is everything to me. I love this dress. This is the type of dress that I would love to wear. I just think it looks so cool. It has like that fashion moment, but at the same time a super wearable fashion moment. I love it. I love her hair and I love her makeup. I did recreate her makeup look just because I felt like it was such a makeup look that anybody can really wear this look. I think she looks so beautiful. So her makeup was done by Jenn Streicher, and I love the way that this lady does makeup. I've seen and I've followed her for a while, and she does such amazing jobs anytime that she has a celebrity to do their makeup. And for this specific red carpet, she was using LORAC Cosmetics. So let's get into the exact items that Mandy Moore had on her face, because even though I recreated this using the Natasha Denona Gold palette, I'm not using like the exact colors, and it might be a little bit different from the colors that she used, but I think the idea is there. So what she used was the Color Source Buildable Blush in Technicolor for her cheeks, and then for her eyeshadow she was using the Pro Matte eyeshadow palette in the shades Latte and Corduroy. She also used the LA palette in Venice Beach, and she used the color Chill Vibes from that palette. She also used Luxe Diamond Creme Shadow in Cashmere. And finally, the lipstick, which I think her lipstick is just so cool. Like, it's just like a perfect tone for this type of eye. It's the Alter Ego matte lipstick in the color Duchess. I love this look. I love, love, love. If you look at her really closely, I love that they put a lot of blush on her. When there's a lot of photography, sometimes blush can definitely disappear, even on camera. The blush that you think that you put like enough blush and it's all gone. I love that they put enough blush on her for it to show in a photograph, because it just works so awesome with this smoky brownish eye and the very pale lip. If she wouldn't have had that much blush, she would have looked too washed out. So I think that she looks incredible. I love her hair. I love her makeup. I mean, I personally, if it was me, I mean, like, just personally, I would have poofed down the hair just a tad bit, but that's just me personally. But I loved everything else. I think she looked incredible. All right, guys, so now we're going to be talking about a celebrity that, honestly, she took the Emmy the night of the Emmys, and I was actually pretty impressed because she beat out a lot of people from Game of Thrones, and I was like, what? You know, like, it was like one of those moments that you're like, what? Well, anyways, but let me tell you, for winning the Emmy and beating out a lot of people from Game of Thrones, she definitely looked the part, and she killed it. So this is Julia Garner, and she is wearing an outfit by Kong Tri. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I will have it come up on the screen. So I actually think that this dress was pretty beautiful. The color of this dress photographs so beautifully. And when you do like these type of red carpets, it's like, if you're gonna put color on, you better put a color that's going to really contrast with your backgrounds and really make you pop. And I feel like this color was perfect. It matched her hair, it matched her makeup. I love that it had this hole on the side. It gave her that more youthful look. If it would have been covered, it would have actually looked a little too old. But because it has that hole, because the bottom is see-through, I loved it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I thought it looked great on her. And let's talk about the makeup, because the makeup was... But her makeup artist, Hong Van Gogh, oh my goodness. She's wearing all Chanel, and this just looks so cool. This was just a very different makeup look, and I love it. We have to talk about the eyes, because honestly, guys, this whole entire look, we're just staring at those eyes, right? And we're saying, holy cannolis. I can't believe that she was able to pull off a mustardy gold eye like that with gold lips, right? I know, it was pretty impressive. She looked like a statue. So now she was wearing the Ultra Le Tint Velvet in shade 12 Beige Rose. So she's also wearing a powder highlight that is the Powder Lumiere Highlight Powder in the shade 30 Rosy Gold, which is interesting. A rosy gold shade to kind of go with this whole gold theme. Then for her liner, which a lot of the look was created with a liner, Style Looks Waterproof Long Lasting Liner in Braun Abeille. Then she's also using Les for Ombres Luxur's Ambrase. And then the crayon that she's using for her lips is the Le Crayon Lavers Precision Lip Definer in 93 Beige Innocent. And that really cool lip color is the Rouge Allure Ink Liquid Lip Color in the color 204 Metallic Bronze. Now that I've butchered 90% of the names of all these Chanel products, I want to talk about how amazing she looked. Oh my gosh. I honestly think that this eye look, everything about it was just so cool. The lipstick, the eyes, the hair, the way that this goldish yellow color matched with the dress, like it just did such an amazing job. Like I honestly, like sometimes I can visualize like, oh, I can see why they came up with that idea. This one was a shocker for me because I honestly was looking at this going, wow, I would not have thought of doing that look with that dress, and I am so happy that they did. I honestly think she looked phenomenal. I love that it was out of the box. I think it looked great on her. I think it was edgy. I think it was young. I think it was cool. Movie star, loved it. I thought she looked phenomenal. So now this is Jameela Jamil. Now I am so impressed with this, guys. Not only is she wearing the most beautiful Monique Lhuillier dress that I just honestly love this color. I think it's so cool. It's very princessy, very appropriate for the ceremony that she is at. I love it. I think it's very pretty. But what I am super impressed with is that she did her own makeup. So this is a celebrity. This is somebody that you know that there's probably makeup artists down the street trying to get to these people to do their makeup. And she did her own makeup for this award show. That is impressive. That is so impressive. Now, I was not actually able to find out the exact products that she used because she actually didn't list them, but I definitely wanted to put her on this list because not only did she look gorgeous, and I love the fact that she mixed this really cool coral looking lip with the mint green dress. That was really creative. That was cool. That was a showstopper. A lot of people talked about her look. She looked really pretty and she did it herself. So I needed to give her a huge wow. That was amazing and I loved it. I thought she looked great. Alright guys, let's talk about an actress that I actually love. I think she's so funny and I love this look for her. So this is Kristen Bell. Kristen Bell looks so beautiful. I honestly think she's such a great actress. I love this dress. I think she looks so amazing. This dress is by Dior. I think it looks cool. It looks edgy. It's cool. It's still pretty and I loved it. I think it looks so pretty on her. I love that her hair was pulled back. I actually really like the earrings. I think that this was a beautiful look. Now her makeup was done by Simone Siegel. Did list some of the items that she used on her face, so I was super happy about this because I think that she had this really pretty, put together, very subtle face look that I think a lot of people would love to recreate. So now for her makeup, she was using all Dior products. So she was using the Dior Mono eyeshadow in the colors Power and Backstage in order to make a pink and purple hue on her lids. Then she used the Dior Show Matte Rusty Liner to make her blue eyes really pop out. And then for her lips, which her lips look such a beautiful color, she was wearing the Dior Universal Contour in Transparent and Brown Fig. And then she was wearing two different colors on her lips. She was wearing Tender and Wander. And that's the way that she was able to create this beautiful look with this amazing lip. I love this look. I think that she just looked like herself. I think that the colors of her lids really matched the dress. I think that everything was pretty. She kind of just looked like a really pretty princess, and I honestly love the look. I love the dress. I love the makeup, and I thought she looked awesome. All right, so now we are down to the last celebrity that I'm going to talk to you guys about, and this one actually was a shocker for me as well because when I saw this celebrity, I said, wow, her eye look and the whole look itself was just so beautiful. So this is Rachel Bronson and I love her look. She is wearing Elie Saab and I have to say that the outfit itself is very pretty. It was not my favorite look of the night, especially not the dress, but I do like the dress and I do love the way that they incorporated the makeup look, kind of like making the makeup kind of like monochromatic to the dress. But let's talk about the main thing. This is the makeup. The makeup I think was just very beautiful. And I almost recreated this look because I really thought it was that great. The makeup artist was Lisa Aaron and I love what she did. I love her bluish gradient that she did on the eye. If you look at the inner corners, they're more of like a white blue, and then as they move out, they start getting a lot darker. I love the way it looks. I think it's so beautiful. I love the way it actually matches with the dress as well. So now they did say some of the items that she was wearing on her face. Now she was wearing a bunch of different items. So she had the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Sapphire as a base to create depth and shine to her look. So she also blended on top of that the Pat McGrath shade in Interstellar. Then she used the shade Coven from the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette. And she also used the shade Pegasus and Charm on the center and the inner corners of the look. So for her foundation, she is using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in shade 2. For her lips, because her lip color is absolutely stunning, she's using the Charlotte Tilbury liner in Nude. And her lipstick is the Lila lipstick in Forever. Now, I honestly think that she looks so beautiful, very put together, very nice. I love the entire look. I love the makeup. I think the makeup honestly was my favorite part of this entire look. It was absolutely stunning, and if you guys just look really closely at it, it was just so beautiful. So those are my favorite stars looks of the night. I honestly think that all of these looks were so beautiful. I really, really love them all a lot. It was very hard for me to decide who I thought was the best makeup and also for the best dressed. But I finally came down to it. I had 2 tops when it came to best dressed. I finally narrowed it down, and I have to give this one to Mandy Moore. I honestly just thought it was just a beautiful combination of colors. I also love the fact that it was sexy, but it was also very fashion forward. I honestly love this look. Zendaya almost won this one. Like, she was really close, guys, but I had to give this to Mandy Moore. Just at the end, it was just, to me, it was just everything. So now let's talk about the most important thing, guys. What was the best makeup of the night? And this one hands down went to Julia Garner. I love this. There was a lot of beautiful looks, but this was just so different, so perfect. She looked like a statue, but in all the good ways. Like, it was so unique, so beautiful, such a unique shade selection that works so good, and I had to give it to her. Those were my favorite celebrities. Those were my favorite looks. I want to know below, who was your favorite look of the night? Which one was your favorite makeup? I would love to know your comments down below. But anyways, guys, so we're going to be starting to see a lot of red carpets coming really soon. So like always, I'll see you guys on the next red carpet. Talk to you later. Bye.